People, I know you've heard the news about the meteors striking Russia. I have a friend of mine in Russia, and he sent me a picture. And what I'm about to tell you is shocking, because I've been trying to upload this video since I got this information, and now I am not receiving any more information from Russia. And this is like the 5th time I've been trying to upload this video since this has started. I'm going to show you this picture because I never received the second picture my friend said he was going to send me, but I did receive the first picture. And this picture I'm about to show you is of what he said rose out of one of those holes in the ground over in Russia. Then he went on to say, let me find this picture, that they are on a alert. Oh my goodness, I had it right there on the page, but the phone shut off, and you know, this video won't upload. The first video was 8 minutes long, and when my friend could actually speak on the phone, he was, oh my goodness, where is this picture? I'm so nervous right now. This is ridiculous. Okay, man, there it goes. This is what came up out of the ground. And after this came out of the ground, apparently the text says the Russian military is tracking. First of all, there were 17 sonic booms over Russia. There are several videos that prove that there were 17 sonic booms. And from some of those craters, these orbs have popped out of. And a couple craters, I was told that the Russian army is tracking a biological amphibious four-legged creature. There may be 4 to 10 of these. There were 17 sonic booms, and there's like 4 or 5 of these spheres in some kind of biological amphibious creature or whatever. And maybe this is it, folks. Maybe the truth will be told. Those are not meteors. They believe this is something that jumped off of the big meteor that's supposed to be coming by soon. What would you do? Would you send in a scout first to see what's down there? What kind of signals were we sending these things for them to come here to check us out? What have we done? Is this real? Or is this a hoax? I don't know. I don't know what to believe. You know, the guy says he's going to try to get me a picture of that thing. It was black and looked like it was amphibious, and it was, I don't know what to believe. Russia being attacked by, I don't know if they've been attacked or scouted by orbs and amphibious creatures. The news is like the man I said in my other video. He says, like, he can't talk on the phones. Everything's like a pulse. Phone on, off, like a pulse. I mean, it all, you know, I'm done. I hope this stays up here. I hope they don't stop me again. I'm not gonna, because the first video was like 15 minutes long. The man was on the phone, and now it's just me talking. I can't get a hold of him again. They never sent that next picture.